Lesson 60 is on polygons. Does anybody know what polygon means? Yes?
5-sided.
Okay. It actually does include a 5-sided shape.
Oh.
Yes.
It has 20 sides?
It can, yes. Okay, let me tell you. Yes.
All the sides are the same.
That's regular. Yes.
It always has even sides?
No, that's a regular one too. Okay, so here's what polygons are. Okay? Poly means many. Many, like M-A-N-Y, many. Not many, but many, okay? So poly means many, so it's basically like a many-sided shape, okay? But it has to have it has to be closed. So for example, that would not be a polygon.
Oh.
Because it doesn't close, okay?
So a polygon.
How many sides does that shape have?
6.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be a hexagon, okay? Because it has 6 sides, okay? And the crazy thing is I can do, well, not quite that. I can do anything. It has to have lines that are straight, okay? But that's a polygon, okay? Any shape that is closed in. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. And so guess what? Do you know what this one's called?
What? No, but I just have a question.
Okay.
Is a polygon, does it just have to be closed in straight lines?
Yep.
Okay.
Can't have curved lines.
That makes sense.
Okay. You actually don't learn this yet, but this is a nonagon. Okay. We'll learn about that later.
It's not a gon.
Non-agon. Okay. So, what do you know this one is called? Yes. Speak it out.
Triangle.
What do we know this one is called?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. Why? Because it has 4 sides. Very good. Okay. Now check this out. Superman. Okay. That's called a
Pentagon.
pentagon. Okay. Then we have a
Hexagon.
hexagon. Okay. The way I remember that is the hex. It's like 6. Okay. 6 and hexagon. Okay. This one's the pentagon. I don't have a way to help y'all know that one. Quadrilateral. Quad means 4. Tri means 3. Triangle. Okay. Now, and the other one you see a lot of, if you're driving on the roads, is an octagon. And does anybody have a way you could easily remember that one?
Octopuses.
Has
8 arms.
8 arms or 8 legs, whatever.
There's actually a game that I played when I was little. Like, it was called Octagon. There's this octopus that was an octagon plastic thing in the middle, and you put cards on its arms, so you made arms for it.
Oh.
And it was like dominoes, so they had to match because they had colored dots on each end.
Oh, that's cool. Yes.
I learned pentagon from pentagon.
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 How did they help you with 5?
I don't really know.
You don't
I
remember?
learned
Okay.
pentagon.
Does anybody have a way that you can remember that? Yeah?
Pentagon.
Huh?
They put the Pentagon like in Russian.
Does it have 5 somethings?
Yeah, it's like a big military base.
I
with
guess-
5 sides.
You can kind of think of this S as a 5. You know what I'm saying? Pentagon, Superman. That's just something, I always try to help myself remember things just like that. So, okay, now, let me share this with you. Okay, let's just draw that one back up here. Does anybody know where the 2 lines meet, what that's called? The 2 points. Starts with a V. Sounds like something from Star Wars. Yes?
Vortex?
Vertex. Okay? Vortex. No, it's vertex, okay? And if you have more than just one vertex, guess what it's called? Vertices. That's the plural form. Okay? Write those down. Now, here's the cool thing. How many vertices does this one have? Yeah, scream it out.
3.
3. How many sides does this have? Yeah. So if I said to you, how many sides does this have?
8.
8. And if I asked you how many vertices it had, what would you say? 8. Isn't that cool? So the number of sides is the same number of vertices. So you don't even have to count them both. Okay? So let's just do count them this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's count our vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't that cool? So the same number of sides has the same number of vertices. All right. What is the name of a polygon that has 4 sides? It has 4 sides.
Square.
Yes. That's a very detailed. Yes, Isaac.
Congruent?
Congruent means same. Starts with a Q.
Quadrilateral.
Yes. A polygon, which means a shape that has many sides, many, remember, that has oh dear, lateral. I hope that got that right, but this ain't spelling class, right? Okay, quadrilateral, all right, is a 4-sided shape. Everybody got that? Okay, now, let me ask you this. Does anybody know what I mean when I say, I kind of gave y'all a hint to this a while ago. What is a regular polygon? Think about it, think about it. I kind of gave you a hint. Isaac?
A polygon has the same length.
Yes. Okay, so here's what I want you to see. I'm going to draw 2 8-sided polygons. Okay? Now, what is an 8-sided polygon called?
Octagon.
Octagon. Everybody remember that? I'm going to draw 2 octagons. So watch this. Just pretend like that's perfection, okay? And then, watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Believe it or not, these are both octagons. Why? Because they have 8 sides. This one's a funky one, okay? And this one is a really perfection one, right? Okay, this one is called a regular octagon. Do you know why? Someone answered it a while ago. Yes?
Because they're all pointing out.
Okay. There's actually a more specific than that. They're all the same size. This from here to here is the same as from here to here is the same as from here to here, same as here to here, same as from here to here. You see what I'm saying? All sides are equal in length. Okay? Is what makes it a regular polygon. Look at this one. Okay? Well, let's do that. What kind of polygon is this? These 2 things right here.
Triangles.
Let's try this again. They're called triangles. Okay? All right?
And that one's not.
One of them is regular and one of them is not. Is this one the regular one?
No.
No. This one is. Why? Because all the sides are equal. Very good. All right. Listen to this. When I say congruent, what do I mean? I told Isaac a while ago. What does congruent mean? Yes?
Same.
Same. Okay? So basically all these sides are congruent. That I need y'all to hear that word. It means same.
How do you spell it?
C-O-N. Congruent. Congruent. Okay, last question. I have me an octagon up here. Okay? Everybody see my octagon? And here's what it tells me. It is a regular octagon. Already, what does that indicate? Just hearing that. It is a regular octagon. What is that indicating to me? Yes? All the sides are the same. Now listen to this. A regular octagon has a perimeter of 96 inches.
Is that always?
No. regular octagon has a perimeter of 96 inches. Now, you need to use foreknowledge. What does perimeter mean? Yes?
Around.
The distance around. So this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this and plus this equals 96 inches. Okay? And then they asked me this question. How long is each side? Isaac,
12 inches.
12. How did you get that?
And 8 over 96.
Yes, because there's 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we all know that they're the same length. How many times will 8 go into 96? And it is 12 times. So this is 12 plus 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 12. And that equals 96. So what is the length of each side? 12. Everybody feel like they understand?
Yes.
So this information right here was the most important thing you knew about this octagon. Because us knowing that it's regular means that all the sides are going to be the same, which is very important for us to know to figure out the each side. Everybody got it? That's lesson 60.